Hi, in this video we are going to see how to use the Magnify effect in Filmora 10. Something like this we are going to make, so let's see the tutorial. First of all, go to the Media tab and select Sample Video. Now you will see many more videos here, but I am going to choose the beach video. Now drag the video in the timeline and do as I show. Put a cut in the video where you want to apply the Magnify effect. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Magnify effect. Once you have downloaded it, drag it over the object or the track. Now you can see that we have applied the effect. Double click the track and you can see the video effect setting. Now adjust the controls as you want, like radius, zoom rate, center X, center Y, border color, the border thickness, and at last border alpha or transparency. Adjust your controls according to your settings, and we are done with the Magnify effect. Now go to the Transitions panel and apply any of the transitions you want to the effect track. So as you can see, we have created our effect. Now let's go to another method. This time we are going to do the same things again. Take your sample video, drag it on the timeline and go to the effects panel, drag your Magnify effect, and then you have to do something different here. You have to drag the Magnify effect on the upper track of your video, so that you can apply it to all the objects or videos under your Magnify track. Again, double click the effect and adjust your controls in the same way we have done previously. So you can see we have created it again. This time you have to add transitions to the video track. But only thing you can see is we cannot apply transitions to the effect. So this is the only drawback of this method. So I prefer using the first method more. Now since we have created our video, so let's see the final one. So this is just our video effect. This is the first method. The next one is second method. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.